Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to dispute a charge on Chime if you notice an unauthorized transaction, billing error or purchase that you don't recognize. So first of all, you need to start by opening your Chime application and locating the charge in your transaction history. So here you need to verify the amount, the merchant's name and the date to make sure that the charge is actually incorrect and unauthorized. Now, when the transactions are available over here, you just have to simply tap on the transaction in order to view more information. So if the charge qualifies for a dispute, you will typically see the option relating to this, which is going to look like problem with this particular transaction. So you just have to simply select this option and then you can just simply select the option of contact support. So it is going to basically open the chatbot inside Chime application where you can basically provide all the relevant information. So if they request you for uploading the receipts, screenshots or any correspondence with the merchant, you can just simply provide those details to the support. So after providing all of these information, you just have to wait for some time until they review your request. So after the dispute is submitted, you can monitor your email address, the Chime application for more updates. Chime may contact you for the additional information while the investigation is in process, and you will be noticed when a decision has been made. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.